Hi, I'm Andrew, and welcome to the Seek a Look Digital Video YouTube channel, where I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and marketers maximize their customer base and visibility using online video. If you're looking to grow an audience and make better videos, then you're in the right place. My passion is to help people produce videos, and over the years, I've helped hundreds of businesses in building their video content profiles, as well as delivering video campaigns to some of the biggest agencies and brands around the world. On this channel, I'll be releasing weekly video tips on how you can create videos, techniques on how to grow an audience using video, how to edit videos, and the types of gear and applications that are available in creating video content. So, if you want to hear more, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the rest of the community.